Hello viewers, what I have for you today is this Ruger SuperHawk by Umarex, and we try it for accuracy at 10 meters. As you can see, I've placed 5 targets. One is paper and 4 small black metal targets. First, we try these 0.43 grams, as this gun is pretty powerful at 180 meters per second. Here I somewhere show how much it is in FPS, but this doesn't have a hope up. I have 8 rounds of those 0.43 grams, and we try the paper first. Okay, hit. Another, 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 another. Slightly high. One left. Okay. I have another 8 rounds of 0.43 grams. We try those 2 small metal targets on the left. First from the left. Whoa. Almost. Almost. Oh. Okay, second from the left. Slightly high. Okay, I think we are out. Yes. Interesting. Now I try these 0.3 grams. Again, 8 rounds, and we try first from the left. Almost. Second from the left. Okay, we have a hit. Again, first from the left. Slightly high. Okay, but we are out. Point 3 grams again. Second from the right. Whoa. Okay, we have a hit. For the last target I have something special, so we try the paper again. Whoa, slightly high. Hit, 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 hit. We are out. So the special thing. These are by BLS. They are 0.85 grams. But as this gun is pretty powerful, I think we can do the last target with these, and they can be even more accurate due to the weight. So, last standing metal. Nope. And I don't see the round. Again, I don't see that. slide to the left, right and low, low, very low. Okay, the paper. We are out, but we have one round standing still. I tried the 0.30 grams. They seems to be the best for the job. 8 rounds. I already miss one. It falls on the ground. So, the last one. Oh, I think. Oh. And a hit. Okay. I have a few more. So, the paper. And last. Okay. It's pretty okay, but it missed the hope up. My back fall down. So, Ruger SuperHawk by Umarex. A pretty nice gun, but we shall see what it can do at 25 meters. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.